Bernina 990. This video explains the settings in sewing mode.
The settings menu can be found in the home screen or here in the main menu. You have 4 different areas. In this video, we'll cover the machine, sewing, and personal settings. Machine information includes your machine ID and IP address. In the monitoring functions, you can activate or deactivate the upper and the bobbin thread indicators. You can set up sounds and adjust the brightness of the display. You can also adjust the lighting in both the free arm and the needle area. As the B990 has a clock, here's where you can set the time and an alarm if desired. Maintenance settings can be found in a separate video. In Update and Reset, you can update the machine's firmware and reset settings. Wi-Fi connects the machine to the Bernina embroidery software, the Stitch Out app, or a mobile device for Help Center content. Changing the upper thread tension in the settings affects all stitches and is saved until changed again. The maximum sewing speed can be limited if necessary, and is also saved when the machine is turned off. Set securing stitches that are automatically sewn when the thread cutter or the threader has been used. Set how high the presser foot is raised automatically when the machine stops with the needle down. Several of the external buttons can be programmed as well. In Pattern End, you can set additional functions that are carried out when the Pattern End button is pressed. The securing button can be programmed either with stitches in place or running stitches. With the Raise Presser Foot function, you can switch the raising of the presser foot on and off. Activate securing stitches when using the thread cutter and program the type and number. In Presser Foot Up-Down, set the preferred height that is assumed when the button is pressed. For the Thread Cutter button, you can program the number and type of securing stitches. The Quick Reverse can be programmed to stitch in reverse or by back stepping, which is recommended for decorative stitches. The back kick of the foot control can also be programmed to do several tasks. The default is needle up-down, but there is also securing, cutting, and raising the presser foot. Last but not least is instructions on the buttonhole foot calibration. Attach the buttonhole foot with slide number 3A and follow the instructions on the screen. Once finished, tap the check mark to confirm. More info on all of these functions can be found in the printed or onboard manual. Personalize your machine with individual settings. First is a welcome message. You can change the background to your favorite color. Changing the language will affect the machine and the Help Center. The details of your local Bernina dealer can be found here. For embroidery settings, please refer to our separate video.
Bernina, made to create.